friends, how are you all? Welcome to Buell's Kitchen. I hope everybody is keeping well, and today is going to be a very simple recipe. It's a very good healthy dish. It is called mint chutney, and mint chutney is very good for your health and digestion. So if you get mint, do try this chutney at home. And we just need just 4 to 5 ingredients. Just need some garlic. Here I have some homemade mint which was grown in my house. Look at this, how fresh it is. So I'm going to just wash this, and I'm going to add some garlic, cumin seed, little bit of tamarind. Tamarind is nothing but it's a sour thing. You can get it in any of the Asian shop. You can get it as a paste as well. So just take a little bit of tamarind and some cumin seeds and some salt and some green chilies. And if you want to add 1 tomato, it will be yummy. So we're going to do the mint chutney, and we're going to do the mint fried rice with that chutney, using that chutney. So it's going to be very delicious and very nutritious. So do try this at this recipe. I'm just going to bring all my ingredients and keep it ready, and I'll show you, friends. Now friends, I have all my ingredients ready now. I have taken this jar just to show you what I am putting it in. So just take a jar like this and just start adding your ingredients. So first thing what I'm going to do here is take your knife and cut your tomato. So here I'm using only 1 tomato, friends. So the tomato is gone inside. So the next is the ginger. Ginger will give a nice fresh taste. Now I have 5 green chilies. I have garlic, 6 to 7 cloves. Here's my cumin seeds. So I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Next is the salt. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of salt for time being, and then if we need it later on, we can add the salt. And the next ingredient what I'm using is the tamarind. This is the one I was talking about. You can get this in any of the Asian shops. So just add a little bit of tamarind, and now we're going to grind this coarsely now, and then we'll add the mint finally, and we'll grind it, and mint chutney will be ready. That simple it is, friends. So just 4 to 5 ingredients, and it's going to be very healthy. So I'm just going to grind it, and I'll show you, friends. Now friends, I've just added in my mixed jar, so I'm just going to grind this. Just add little water. Now friends, we'll start adding our mint. So this is being grinded coarsely now. So just add your mint leaves. I'll just show you, friends, once it's grinded. Now friends, this is our mint chutney. So it is ready now. So look at the color, friends, it's completely green. We'll just taste it and see how it is. It's so nice, friends. It's so refreshing and very fresh, and I can feel the green chilies and ginger. So what I'm going to prepare with this chutney is you can use this for any kind of evening snack along with a little bit of curd. If you mix it in this, it will be very yummy. Now I'm going to make a little bit of mint fried rice, so I'm just going to show you how to make that. Now friends, my mint rice, we're going to make it now. So for that you need some basmati rice. So I've already boiled the basmati rice, and it is ready. So just take a pan like this. Put some sesame oil. You can use whichever oil is your favorite. So use about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Let the oil get heated up. Just use some mustard seeds. A tablespoon of mustard seeds. just wait for the mustard seeds to splutter. Now friends, the mustard seed is spluttered now, so we'll add some urud dal. You can add about 1 tablespoon of urud dal, and we'll add some chana dal. It will be very nice and crunchy, and if you want to add some peanuts, you can add that as well, and it will be very yummy. And next we're going to add some cumin seeds. I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. And if you want to add green chilies this time, you can add it. I'm using some red chilies here, friends. So I'm just going to use about 3 to 4 red chilies. And here I have some curry leaves. So we'll just add some curry leaves as well. Now let it fry. You can feel the aroma coming out, friends. It's very, very nice. So just give it a small mix. Just stay away from this, sometimes it might splatter on your face. It's a very healthy dish, friends, and very nutritious, and as I said, mint has a lot of medicinal properties and it's good for digestion. So if you get it, do try this, and if you have a little bit of coriander, you can add coriander as well. So I'll just fry this for a few minutes until it becomes golden. And then we'll add our chutney inside, and we'll cook that for 10 minutes until the raw smell goes off from that. And then we'll add our rice and make sure the salt is right, and then we'll add some lemon at the end, and the mint fried rice will be ready. That simple it is. So it's just going to take a few seconds. And if you want to store the mint chutney, you can store it in the fridge for a week, friends. It will be nice. So, because we have added the tamarind, so it won't be spoiled. Now we'll add our mint chutney. What I'll do is I'm going to add everything in here, and I can use how much ever I want it for the rice, and rest you can keep it in the storage, and you can use it later on whenever you are going to make it again next time. So give it a good mix. Now you can taste the salt, and if the salt is less, you can add this time. So I'm just gonna taste the salt. I just need a bit more, so I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon. So if you need it later on, you can add it. No need to cover it, you can just cook it like this. As I said, about 5 to 7 minutes, and once it's become a little bit good, like once the raw smell goes off from this, we'll add our rice. Now friends, the mint chutney is ready now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to keep half of the mint chutney in the bowl, and then we'll make the mint fried rice in the same pan. So I'm just going to take half of the chutney in a bowl. Just gonna make very little. We'll keep this for later. Now next is the rice. So I have my rice, as I said, it's ready now. So just start adding your rice. That simple it is, friends, and it's very, very healthy. Some people will put hot rice and mix it, but this is already, I cooked it this morning, so still it is fresh, so I'm just adding it. you can mix the rice according to your family need. So if you need very little, you can use it for 1 person or 2 person. Now we're just gonna mix this now. We're just going to add a little bit of sesame oil in this to give a nice flavor for this mint rice. Okay, and then half a lime that will enhance the taste of the mint rice. So just add the lemon. So it's almost ready. I'm just going to turn off the stove. So give it a nice mix and serve it in a plate, and we'll taste it and see how it is. Just gonna taste it and see how it is. So yummy, friends, very tasty. Do try this at home and just tell me how it came for you guys. I just present in a plate. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll upload nice simple videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. God bless.